we're diving into a topic that could bring a sigh of relief to many individuals. The IRS is currently sending out stimulus payments worth up to $1,400 to approximately 1 million people. Yes, you read that right. If you've been wondering whether you might have missed out on some financial support from the government, this could be your opportunity to finally claim it. The best part? These payments are automatic. That means no need for additional paperwork, applications, or filing amendments. Stick around as we go through who qualifies, how the process works, and what you should expect in the coming weeks. The IRS has identified nearly 1 million people who didn't claim their full stimulus payments during the pandemic. To jog your memory, there were 3 rounds of stimulus checks, 2 in 2020 and 1 in 2021. Most people received their payments directly, either through a bank deposit or a mailed check. However, for a range of reasons, some individuals missed out on all or part of what they were owed. Why did this happen? In some cases, it was due to not filing a tax return on time. In other instances, people were unaware of something called the Recovery Rebate Credit, which allowed individuals to claim any unreceived stimulus funds when filing their taxes. Unfortunately, many people didn't know about this credit, and as a result, even those who were eligible didn't claim what was rightfully theirs. What is the Recovery Rebate Credit? Think of the Recovery Rebate Credit as a safety net. If you didn't receive the full amount from any of the stimulus payments or didn't get one at all, you could use this credit to claim the funds when you filed your tax return. However, not everyone was aware of this credit, and even some who filed their taxes overlooked it. But here's the good news. The IRS has been diligently reviewing its records to identify those who missed out. To address this, they are now automatically issuing payments to eligible individuals. No action required on your part. Who qualifies? Now, you're probably wondering, am I eligible? Here's the deal. If you filed a tax return and met the eligibility requirements for the Recovery Rebate Credit but didn't claim it, chances are high that you're on the list. The IRS will even send you a letter confirming your eligibility. This letter will include details such as the payment amount and how it's being sent, either via direct deposit or a mailed check. It's important to keep this letter for your records. It can serve as proof of the payment and help you if any issues arise. Payment timeline and process. The IRS started issuing these payments in December, and most recipients can expect to receive their money by late January. Depending on how you filed your taxes, the payment could appear as a direct deposit in your bank account or arrive as a paper check in the mail. Be sure to keep an eye on your mailbox and check your bank accounts. If you've moved recently or changed your banking details, it's worth ensuring that the IRS has your updated information to avoid delays. Do you need to take action? One of the best aspects of this process is that it's completely automatic. You don't need to file any forms, submit a claim, or amend your tax return. The IRS has already done the heavy lifting by identifying eligible individuals and initiating payments. That said, if you're unsure about your eligibility or think you might have been overlooked, it's always a good idea to check the IRS website or consult a tax professional. They can provide you with peace of mind and help ensure you're not leaving money on the table. How can you use this money? If you're fortunate enough to receive this payment, the possibilities for its use are endless. You might consider using it to pay off outstanding bills, boost your emergency savings fund, treat yourself to something you've been putting off. Whatever you choose, the key is to use the money in a way that aligns with your financial goals and helps bring a little peace of mind. Unfortunately, situations like this often attract scammers. Remember, the IRS will never call, text, or email you asking for personal or financial information. If you receive any communication claiming to be from the IRS that seems suspicious, go directly to the IRS website to verify its authenticity. If you filed your taxes but didn't claim the Recovery Rebate Credit, this could be a welcome surprise for you. And even if you don't qualify, this serves as an important reminder to stay informed about financial opportunities like these. Understanding your finances and staying on top of developments can make a significant difference in your overall well-being. Have questions or want to share your experience? Feel free to reach out or discuss with others. Let's keep this conversation going and help each other make the most of every financial opportunity. Until next time, take care and stay informed.